Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Virgo, we have last quarter moon in Scorpio. Reveal what needs to be seen. Kung ano lang yung kailangan ninyong ibigay, yun ang ibigay ninyo. Kung ano yung kailangang impormasyon, yun lang ang ibigay ninyo. Kung ano lang yung necessary, no? Na ilabas ninyo, yun lang ang ilabas ninyo dito, Virgo. Okay? Walang labis, walang kulang. Last quarter moon in Aries. Ayan, work through your feelings. Ayan, Virgo. May confusion dito na nagaganap sa inyo. Maybe parang you're all over the place siguro. Yan ang nararamdaman ninyo. You can't figure out what needs to be done or what you need to do or kung anong direction ang tatahakin ninyo dito. Maybe confused ang iba sa inyo dito. Kaya, you need to work through your feelings for you to be able to figure out what is best na gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, what else? We have first quarter moon in Cancer. Push through any insecurity. Ayan. Tanggalin nyo na yan. Tanggalin nyo na kung ano man yung mga insecurity na nararamdaman ninyo dito because you don't need that. Okay? So, what else for Virgo? We have past life guides. Ayan. So, meron ditong Virgo, meron ditong mga parang may mga guides kayo from your past life na nag-reconnect, trying to reconnect with you sa ngayon because maybe there is a need dito ng gabay nila. No? Maaring may sitwasyon kayo dito na kailangan ng gabay nila kaya nandito sila at nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? Listen to your intuition, okay? Or be on the lookout for those symbols, synchronicities, and maybe and even panaginip, no? Kasi maaring pumapasok din sila sa inyong panaginip to give you a heads up na we are here, no? Just call on us and we are here to help you, okay? So, what else? We have face entanglement. Ayan, mga chika, chismis, marites, marisol. Maaring merong mga ganyang energy na nasa paligid ninyo dito, Virgo. Maaring kayo ang pinag-uusapan or maaring ikaw yung hinahatiran ng chismis, no? Maaring ikaw yung finifeed ng information dito about someone else, no? So, posibleng may ganon. Kaya, use your own judgment and discernment on that situation kung ano yung kailangan ninyong gawin dito, kung ano yung best na gagawin ninyo, kung paano ninyo i-handle ang mga sitwasyong ganito. So, it's all up to you, okay, Virgo? We have number 33. Number 33 is a master number. So, I suggest po, please look up for the meaning of master number 33 for more guidance, okay? Because that is another message for you. We have wisdom of the Magi. Ayan. So, mental clarity. Ayan, this is what you really need right now. Talaga, Virgo, this could be connected with this. Work through your feelings. So, kailangan ninyo dito ng mental clarity. And it feels like to me na kung ano yung kailangan ninyo dito, you will get that. No, you will get that. Eventually, it feels like to me that you are going to, put yourself in solitude dito because there is a calling for you, no? Na pakinggan ninyo or mag-reconnect kayo sa inyong sarili and pakinggan ninyo kung anong bulong sa inyo ng inyong puso, ng inyong sarili, ng inyong higher self. Okay? So, definitely, this is what you need, mental clarity. You will get that. Yan ang napipick up ko dito sa inyo. Because you'll be able to do some kind of meditation or magpagmumuni-muni, maybe you're going to do that. So, let's see kung ano pa ang ganap kay Virgo at this time. So, we have 10 of Cups. Yay! This is such a beautiful energy. This is happy family. Okay? Happy family. This is domestic bliss. This is domestic happiness dito na magaganap sa inyo, Virgo. Isang masayang pamilya, pamilya nagkakaintindihan, pamilya masaya, may harmony, may love, masaya, no? Masaya ang sitwasyon dito. Everyone is happy. Nanggaling na to sa Nine of Cups, which is a wish fulfillment energy. Kaya maaring meron dito kayong wish na nag-come to fruition na. Meron kayong wish dito na matutupad or natupad na. Kaya maaring yan din ang nagdulot din ng saya, no? Extrang saya sa inyong pamilya. So this is really good. So what else? We have Ace of Pentacles energy. This is such a beautiful energy. Virgo, talaga naman magiging masayang-masaya kayo because this is a new beginning energy, no? Pagdating naman sa inyong finances, pagdating sa inyong kaperahang aspeto, ang swerte-swerte din ninyo ngayon kasi magsisimula na kayong mag-receive, no? ng opportunity, ng financial blessings, no? Opportunity ng prosperity and abundance. At napakalaki, no, ng pentacle, napakalaki din ng kamay ng this hand dito na may hawak na pentacle that represents the hand of God, that represents the hand of the universe na nag-o-offer sa inyo ng pentacle, nag-o-offer sa inyo ng financial blessing. May padala sa inyo na financial blessing dito ang divine universe, okay? Virgo, so ang laki niya, 'di ba? So parang kitang-kita niyo na. So most likely this is within your reach na. Kumbaga, nandiyan na, maaaring nasa harapan niyo na, no? As in parating na, nandiyan na talaga, as in mapapa sa inyo na yung biyayang ito. So align yourself with this energy, no? Virgo, tanggalin na yung mga negativity sa inyong sarili, so that there will be no blockage, no, between you and this energy. This is such a beautiful energy. Ito na yung simula ng pagbabago ng inyong financial landscape. Magiging maganda na, stable na, no? Magsisimula na kayo dito na magkaroon ng prosperity and abundance. Magkakaroon na kayo dito ng continuous inflow of money, Virgo. And this could be coming from anywhere, no? Kasi yung Ace of Pentacles, maaring financial opportunities na to. Lagi, parang bagong trabaho, bagong money path, bagong career opportunity, bagong business venture. It could be anything. Maaari din na windfall of money ito. Siguro merong dadating nila na pera na hindi ninyo inaasahan. Maaring ganon. Or this could be a winning, diba? Maaring manalo kayo dito sa lottery ng malaking pera, or sa raffle, or kahit sa anuman, no, na mga game of chance. Siguro kung nananaya talaga kayo, posibleng ganun din ang maganap dyan. So depende sa inyong sitwasyon. There could be travel dito for some of you due to relocation. Maaring meron dito maglilipat bahay, meron din dito maglilipat ng opisina, yung ganun ba, no? So good luck din sa inyo, Virgo. We have Five of Pentacles. Maaring ito yung inyong sitwasyon in the past, no? So maaring past na to, Virgo, maaring in the past, hirap kayo sa pera, nangangailangan kayo ng pera, may problema sa trabaho, nawalan ng trabaho. It could be anything, no, na mga along those lines. At maaring itong pinanggagalingan ninyo dito. Pero tignan ninyo kung ano yung kapalit, diba? Diba? Totoo na kapag merong nagsasarang pinto, merong magbubukas na panibago. And maybe dito ang iba sa inyo, nawalan kayo ng trabaho, nabawasan ng oras sa trabaho. So, merong hindi masyadong magandang kaganapan dito pagdating sa source of income ninyo dito. But, look at this, diba? Meron kayong bagong simula. Merong bagong energy dito, new beginning energy dito na dadating sa inyo, Virgo. Kaya, tanggalin na, takpan nyo na to, remove that sa sarili ninyo at mag-focus kayo dito sa Ace of Pentacles energy because this is what's coming towards you, okay? Ito yung energy na i-attract ninyo sa sarili ninyo at kung ano yung low vibe energy na to sa Five of Pentacles, put that aside, okay? Put that aside at mag-isip kayo kung paano ninyo maa-attract itong energy na ito. So, good luck, Virgo. And that's all I have for you for the week. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.